Alright, I'm back at work after my vacation. Ugh, had to move about that, 75,000 pounds of shelving I bought. So it's been a week, 10 days of hell basically. Sore as hell. Barely can move. But it's done. Oh. So anyway, I am back at it here, slowly doing some work. Taking me a day or two to get back doing videos probably. Oh. Anyway, I'm just beat. So anyway, I gotta let everybody know I was back at it, and I didn't kill myself completely. So we're back going through my mountain of stuff that came in when I was out, and packing t-shirts for people who want shirts, and all my normal crap I do around here. And I figured we'd go through a little bit of comments over here. Oh, while I'm dying. So I haven't been interrupted by the phone yet. Wrist hurts too. Got a few road scars on me. So these are the comments I've been getting. While I'm dying, of course. So I don't know if you guys can read these or not. This is how I get my comments. You have to read each video. It has comments on it. So I don't know how this works. We'll try it. See how this flies here. Maybe you can blow it up and see it. I don't know. Until I watched it on TV, I don't know how this looks. But anyway, these are the last comments I got. I'm not even sure the date today. September something. So they're talking about my El Camino over here being a rust bucket. Yeah, no crap. Hasn't got any better in the 5 years it's been sitting here. Let's see, getting comments about me moving my crap. Thanks for the 3 volunteers that came by out of everybody that said they'd help. 2 of you guys really stepped up big time. That'd be Eric and Joseph. They helped quite a bit, especially Joseph. He helped me fill a 28-foot U-Haul and unload it. That was a 24-hour day on Sunday. The weekend I did 3 28-foot U-Hauls and my truck and trailer twice. It's a tough weekend. But anyway, it's moved. Let's see, some guy wants to know about the 45 here, but he's commenting about some guy named Doc Bean Bike Boys Cycles. How in the hell do I know about these dumbasses out there? I barely know about me. If I don't do it, I don't like it. How's that? Here, I'll put it where you can see me. If I don't do it, I don't like it. Because it's easily screwed up and I gotta fix it. Which you have seen on basically my videos. Something about having to fix new parts that come in broken. Yes, most new parts come in screwed up. You like that close up? So yes, you do have to straighten wheels with presses and hammers to make them good. Or at least usable. This guy's all pissed off about something. Race engine building something. I don't know what the hell that's all about. Let's see. Something about buying new parts and checking them, I think, or redoing junk. That has to do with that Truett and Osborne wheel, flywheel came in, didn't bother cleaning 50,000 miles of puke off of them, and the rebuild wasn't that good either. So there you go. Just because you pay to have something done does not mean it is done correctly or well. Usually if you touch a rebuilt part and your hands are filthy, it's probably not a good rebuild. These are all the volunteer guys that were back east, overseas, that want to help, that didn't. All the local guys are too lazy to work, as usual. But I still give out free advice, so there you go. Now what else do we got here? Something about a carburetor on a Harley. Yeah. Here's what you do on a new Harley. You take the carburetor and you throw it in the trash. You put a McCuney on it and go fast. There. That covers it? There you go. And if you have to adjust the idle speed more than 1 turn, you're good. Use the Jennings right on the money if you got a cam exhaust pipe on it. Let's see. Moving. Yeah, I move shit all the time. What else is new? Walker video. You can't find the Walker video. You are a dumbass. See that name right there? If you go look up the stupid playlist that has that title on it, you will find the Walker videos. All my videos have playlist names on the bottom in here. So all you have to do is read and learn how to use YouTube. So there you go. See, now I don't have to make a comment about it. I probably still will make a comment. Should I leave dumbass out? Probably not. Someone's a legend. I don't know. I'm a dumbass. I'm not no legend. Some guy's making a shot because he watched my videos. Hey, hey, hey. Thumbs up. That's what they're all about. Get off your butt and do it. Nobody else is going to do it, right? You might as well do it yourself. Let's see. 3 bond works okay on studs with one together. Hope your shelving hasn't killed you. No, it didn't kill me, but it hurt me. 3 bond works good for sealing studs. I don't know about holding them in though. It's not Loctite, it's sealer. Why'd I remove all the handlebar wiring and shit off my 99 Sportster I haven't finished yet to sell? To clean it. Because it was the easiest thing to do. And I got to see what a 99 Sportster XLS custom looks like underneath all that chrome cover shit that Harley puts on it. So there you go. Now you know. And you know too, because I told you how to put it back together after I took it apart. That whole video series on is not just me fixing a bike up to sell, it's for dumbasses like you who watch my videos. How to work on it. I never worked on a stupid 99 Sportster XL S custom, whatever the fuck it is. So there you go, we both learned. There's a lot of crap on there that could be thrown away in the trash. Start with all that crap on the front end that needs all that wiring. You don't need any of that junk. So, but anyway, if you want to rebuild a stock one or put one back together, there you go. There's a good video on showing you how to do it and what all the bolts go and how it works. Another 20 years you can use it for restoration because there ain't any book on it. So there you go, it all works. And when it comes time to sell my bike, somebody wants to buy it, they can see what's in it. I sure wasn't hiding anything. Maybe we'll have that done this month. I doubt it. Maybe next month. Well, let's see what else we got going on. The cam is speaking out. Yeah, there's a cam in that bike I did. Yeah, that was on the 79 Shovelhead, 80-incher. We took out all the stroker crap and hot rod crap that was done wrong and put it back to stock with a good cam. Upgraded everything else and started running one kick bike. Runs great. There you go. And there's someone who wants to talk to me already. Hello. Yo. I don't know, I got boxes of crap here I haven't looked at yet, but probably. So, you want to come by, come by. I'll give you a call later if I got them. Alright. Come on by. Bye. Yeah, I was supposed to go through all that box of parts and see what I ordered last week. We'll see. Alright, we're just going to go through a few comments, not too many here. What's this guy want? Only it counts as regular content, polished within the video. Yeah, like I'm going to edit a video. Give me a break. You must not watch my videos very much. Once you're past the initial subscriber boundary, whatever the hell that is, like I care, it's all about quality. Yep. Quality of work, not quality of video. Tatro machine has really good actors. Yeah, right. Actors, my ass. That's what should be promoted. No, the work should be promoted. That's what counts. What else we got here? Really good act. No, that should be promoted. Like the Indian and the dresser. Ew, you got to be kidding. Who likes those? Who keeps saying wait WTF? Yeah, I don't know what the hell that means either. That's that modern foreign language shit I don't give a shit about. What about his mechanical distributor? Like he thought his bike was good. Good. What? The bike was out to get him. Yeah. Well, if it's a Mallory, it probably was, because those things suck. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. Should I hit more, read more, or skip it? Yeah, let's see what else he's got. It might be 3 pages long. This looks like a long one. Oh, it's only a couple more lines. A bit of neon maybe, or 2 or 3 fixed cameras. Yeah, like this is a fucking photo studio here. Give me a break. Let's see. Do what? Talking about coming and going on the so cameras at the door. Like, who's this? Then the show starts. I don't know what that's all about. I think that's about interruptions or something. Yeah, the guy needs to go watch. I don't know. So what is that fucking stupid show they have on TV? Orange County Chopper. Yeah, go watch that. You'll be happy. Leave me alone. Yeah. Let's see. Nice video. Poor homeless guy. Yeah, he's gone. Let's see. Moving the race build video. What the hell is he talking about? If you're gonna write me a comment, put it in English and write it all out. I don't know what this stupid ass abbreviated writing means. I don't own a cell phone, so I don't use one, and I don't text. So there you go. Write it out. Or I'll make stupid comments about you don't know how to fucking write English. I'm in Tennessee. Good for you. Oh, this guy wants to come help. Yeah. You missed out on all the fun. Let's see. Something about pinning the Model T Ford. Yeah, good deal. He's running a real bike, real motor. It's a Ford though, but you know we won't hold it against him too much. Let's see. New Mexico. Yeah, it's only a day's drive away. You could have come. Pan shovel. Yeah, I could tell that by looking at my drag bike. Let's see. I don't know what that's all about. Oh well. Alright, we're done for today. We got interruptions. So we will conclude this one, and thanks for the help I didn't get. Bye.